I am deeply heartbroken and saddened by the news that is coming out in crypto right now. It's from Biden. What is this person and what is their administration thinking, especially with the rest of the world adopting crypto faster than they can even think? They're going to adopt it so fast, they're going to trip over their own feet even. What is the US administration even thinking? Guys, this is the craziest video I have brought to you in a very, very long time right now. We're going to have a little bit of a deep dive into this video. So welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Kiara DeCass. Let's dive very, very deep into the channel. Thank you so much to my blessed, beautiful subscribers, guys. You are all absolutely powerful and blessed for sure, without a doubt. Been doing some crazy cool videos for you guys. I hope you have all been absolutely enjoying them. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end because there's a lot to go through in this one. All right, cryptocurrency market cap sitting the same. Just under $1.1 trillion. We're down 0.4% for the day. Trading volume is terrible. 21.5 billion trading volume is very, very little compared to what we regularly see on the average in the crypto space. It's at least double that normally. Bitcoin sitting sub 26, Ethereum 1638, BNB 215, XRP 51 cents, Lido 1638, Cardano 25 cents. Gosh, Cardano's dropped even more. Dogecoin 6.2 cents, Solana 20.31, Polkadot 4.44, Polygon 54 cents, Toncoin 1.47, Litecoin 64.27, Shiba 7.92. Sure, Shiba's going further and further down. Come, Shiba, get to the work. Avalanche, wow, sub 10, guys. I did say to you guys I would sell some of my tokens, and I did, and I bought some ICP, which I did let you guys know in that video that that's what I was going to do. So I hope you guys did that too. So yeah, Uniswap 4.59, Stellar 11 cents, Chainlink 5.90. Wow, it's a good point to buy Chainlink again. And then Cosmos at 7.11, guys. Crazy stuff happening here in the space today. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 39. It's pretty much the same average as last week, so not much news there. The crypto bubbles today are, these are my bubbles, so let's go and look at the top 100. Okay, so this is the top 100, and remember that this is always against Bitcoin. I do trade this, I do put these against Bitcoin so that we know when to take some profits. Taking profits is the highest point that we need to be doing, guys. Hex is the only thing that DYDX, XDC, Filecoin, Curve, CFC, CFX, Crow seem to be the only ones really up against Bitcoin today. The rest of them are pretty down. ICP's down, Theta's down, Injector's down, Sand's a bit down. So huge stuff there, guys. Huge stuff happening in the crypto bubbles there today. This week ahead, we have not anything on the US side of the news today. We have the S&P Schiller case, consumer confidence, and job openings tomorrow. So the market will definitely move a little bit. Then Wednesday, we have ADP employment. That will make the market move. GDP is going to make the market move. Trade balance is going to make the market move. And advanced wholesale and retail industries and pending home sales. Those will all make the market moves in their own little way. Then we have initial jobless claims. Definitely going to make the market move. Personal income. PCE index, core PCE, PCE year on year, core PCE year on year, and the Chicago business barometer. So guys, Thursdays are very volatile, and Friday will end up being the most volatile because we have US non-farm payrolls again, because that in the southern hemisphere will be spring day. Okay, so quite excited that it's on a Friday actually. US employment rate, US hourly wages year over year, ISM manufacturing, construction spending on Friday. Pretty simple stuff. Then we go and have a look at if there's any European or other news from around the world that is going to be possibly affecting us. So let's see this week. Okay. So Aussie retail sales today actually, which already happened. Boom, up quite a bit. The Euro German Baba president speaks on later today. That will definitely make the markets move. And then speaking again later today, also make the market move. In climate, German consumer climate, that's tomorrow, definitely make the market move. Economic forecast, make the market move. Then we have consumer conference and job openings on Tuesday, which definitely make the market move, as you guys can see there. Wednesday, not too much stuff here going on other than the US news on Wednesday. Oh, Euro, we have CPI data coming out. That definitely is going to be making a little bit of a noise there. I'll go and do that shortly, but USA is ADP non-farm employment. Let's see, and then GDP Q2. So this week, guys, as you can see, crude oil inventories even. We have crazy news coming out. China on Thursday, manufacturing PMI. Then what else do we have? You can see here. Then we have Euro CPI. And then USD core PCE and PCE and jobless claims, and then non-farm payrolls. Guys, this week is going to be some heavy trading. So if you guys want to trade these coins with me and the volatility that is about to come in this week, make no mistake, there will be volatility. Then make sure to go ahead in the description below and hit my Bitflex and Bybit links. They will give you incredible bonuses there, and you guys will be able to go ahead and trade those beautiful cryptocurrencies with me. Okay, in the meantime, let's go and have a quick squiz at the news for the day. So this is the biggest. This is why I did my intro in the way that I did my intro, guys. Crypto community reacts to Biden's proposed crypto tax reporting rules. Many prominent crypto commentators are concerned that this will make crypto firms even more reluctant to do business in the United States. I don't know who this man believes he is, but he's not my president, and he's not the president of the world. And yes, he may be the president of America, but people in those positions are undoubtedly puppets. And I'm pretty sure that we know that already. So, cool, the dude himself is not making the final decisions, but at the end of it all, there are people above him that are forcing him to publicly speak those decisions. So, as you can see here, Masari CEO Ryan Selkis was among those who responded unfavorably to the news, saying that if Biden secures re-election, the crypto industry will not flourish in the US. There's no future for crypto if the US, if Biden is re-elected. I'm sorry. Move abroad, draft Newsom, and hope for the best, or vote GOP, where at least we know the top three candidates are less terrible on this issue. Crypto's always been political. To clarify, I agree that other jurisdictions have seized the initiative and the US has sadly fallen behind. We need proactive, nuanced policies that encourage responsible innovation across crypto verticals. Clarity is coming one way or another. The time to engage. And this is from Christopher Perkins. Guys, this is what I keep saying to you. So even though there's FUD like this in the market, crypto is not going anywhere. Nor will it go anywhere, no matter what Biden or his administration actually puts into place. It will not go anywhere. And if the US doesn't want to adopt it, then they are going to be the downfall of their own economy. Okay, so I hope everybody that is American watching this is really pushing back against this and is not voting for this person. Okay, this person does not need your vote. Okay, especially if you're watching this video, you're in crypto, or you want to be in crypto, or you love crypto, or something to do with crypto, and whatever that man is saying is not going to do us any good. So make sure not to vote for that person. Okay, if you are voting, okay, even that's a scandal. US devotion to income tax means they can never accept private transactions on public ledgers without tax and sanction surveillance, which is terrible, guys. That is absolutely terrible. All right, so next article you guys can see here. In the light of everything that is going on, okay, not that one, excuse me. JP Morgan sees limited downside for crypto in markets in the near term. So this we know was FUD, okay, about Elon Musk selling. But as a result, we see limited downside for crypto markets over the near term. Analysts led by Nicholas Panigiri Solo, I can't even say that. Nicholas, okay? The correction in crypto markets in August, which reversed the Post-Securities and Exchange Commission versus Ripple Court decision rally, can be partly credited to the broader correction in risk assets such as equities and in particular tech, which in turn appears to have induced by frothy positioning in tech, higher US real yields, and growth concerns about China, reported said. So these news caught up investors with an overhang of long positions, the note said. So as we can see, JP Morgan are reckoning that the market is at a bottom. Also, okay, I've been saying this to you for a long time as well. US crypto tax proposal lets miners off the hook, snares some decentralized exchanges. The IRS is finally proposing rules for crypto tax reporting, giving the industry owns its own 1099 form and declaring digital asset miners safe from the future requirements. So crypto exchanges hosted some wallet providers and payment processors will face new tax rules as soon as 2 years. The proposal, which is opening to a comment period and public hearings, would attempt miners and certain other types of activities. Okay, is this a good thing? It's not a good thing, but it has to go this way at some point or another, right? So it leads me to my last article here that I want to share with you before I tackle the charts. So this one here, okay, this man and his administration and Gary Gensler as the head of the SEC are being challenged by this man, Patrick McHenry, who criticizes Biden's newly introduced crypto tax rules. So that's Patrick McHenry. And basically, the chairman of the House Financial Services Committee criticized the recently proposed cryptocurrency taxation rules on 24th of August. The US Treasury mandated cryptocurrency brokers to report user information to the IRS. This prevents tax evasion. A new Form 1099-DA helps taxpayers calculate taxes specifically for cryptocurrencies and NFTs. McHenry expressed his concerns, stating that following the passage of the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, numerous lawmakers of both parties made clear that any proposed rule must be narrow, tailored, and clear. McHenry called the rules overly broad and part of Biden administration attack on the digital asset ecosystem. He emphasized that any new rule should be specific, precise, and well-defined, as required by the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act introduced by the Biden administration in 2021. So in other words, what he's basically saying here is that Biden and his administration are actually breaking their own infrastructure investment bills that were introduced, and they're breaking them themselves right now. So what makes you think that people are going to listen to Biden and his administration? Guys, this is becoming a little bit messy. I must be very honest with you. And it probably would be better for crypto to be out of the US right now. Although the US is one of the biggest spaces, I think that the US administration, not you and I, but the US administration needs a bit of a clap in the face, because they're pulling this massive opportunity away from us. And yet their economy is facing one of the most dire and extreme moments that their entire history has ever experienced. Why the hell would they be putting through bills like this through the administration? Because they want control. They want your Bitcoin. Okay. So despite acknowledging that the proposal was still in its early stages, McHenry welcomed the delayed effective date and exemptions in the proposal. He argued President Biden's administration to stop its attempts to harm the digital asset ecosystem and encourage collaboration with Congress to create effective crypto legislation. McHenry also promoted his bipartisan legislation, the Keep Innovation in America Act, which defines broker for tax reporting purposes to include only companies that facilitate digital asset transactions, excluding miners, node operators, and hardware operators. Contrary to McHenry's proposal, reports from Bloomberg indicated that the IRS and Treasury's proposal would cover decentralized finance and NFTs platforms while excluding mining and staking operations. McHenry, a Republican representative from North Carolina, is known for his pro-cryptocurrency stance. He has supported various crypto-related bills such as the Clarity for Payment Stablecoins Act of 23, Digital Tokens Act of 21, and the Ransomware and Financial Stability Act of 21. He's also committed on significant events in the crypto industry, including PayPal's introduction of stablecoin and regulatory responses to BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF application. So this man is very much pro crypto, and he's the head of the Congress. Let's go and take a look at the Dixie now, guys. If you guys are enjoying this so far, because you can see that the information is messy and that there's far too much information to digest, and that's why we just need to continue to read the charts. Now, I want to say something to you. The Dixie is way, way overbought now. It's time for a return. I'm not saying it must, but it's time. Okay, so it could carry on for a little bit. But if you look, I said to you guys a little while ago that that was actually a reversal candle right there. You can see that it works every single time, okay, to reverse. However, if there is continued manipulation in the market, which you can see the same boring thing happening in the Bitcoin space, okay, you can see here, boring manipulation all the way down, okay. What does that actually mean that the Dixie is doing? This was the same run that the Dixie made, okay? All right, so you can see here we've got another reversal candle, and it's at a very important critical level, guys. If we don't start to see some sort of reversal down here, I mean, this is going to be one of the most overextended times that the Dixie has been on the top end of the RSI. The longer it stays there, the harder it's going to fall, okay? So let it stay there. Let it drop the crypto prices a little bit more, okay? We'll continue, you and I, watching this video. And if you believe so, smash the thumbs up. You and I will continue to accumulate more crypto, regardless of Biden's administration, his regulations, his everything. Because remember, where you have DeFi and a VPN, you could trade from anywhere over the world, across the world, and you could swap your money, no problem, without having the tax implications that Biden is trying to impose on the US economy. And that is very, very healthy for us that we can do that. But yeah, they just think that they can get away with everything, guys. Now, I just want to say something. The RSI is reset, but it's trying to pull down a little bit. Is there going to be one more retest here down towards the bottom end here? I don't know. I can't say. But the volume is so very, very small and little right now that it is so insignificant if we drop an additional 15% even down to the 22,000 level. It's not that big of a deal, okay? Because the gains and the percentages that I have previously showed you on some of my other videos, boom, especially, okay, you can see that crypto is here for the long run. And on the weekly time frame, the RSI is resetting, which tells me that we could be in for a much, much, much stronger percentage gain. And if we were to go and pump up to our 38,000%, $45,000 target, we could hit 78%. So are you worried about 15% drawdown? No, you shouldn't be. Okay. And this is not even to surpass all-time highs, guys. So it's a 1-to-5 ratio. Okay. Risk to reward. Okay. So no matter the FUD, just put in the earplugs, listen to some good music, and carry on trading the charts. That will be your success. So keep that mind strong, ignore the FUD, but realize what's going on and make the necessary adjustments in your crypto portfolio. Okay. Thank you for being here with me today on this beautiful video. And if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to smash the thumbs up. Give me a fist pump, boom, knuckles up, and let's go and rock this Monday and the strong ahead. We have so much exciting videos for you ahead for the week. So thanks for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss Show, and love you all lots. And make sure to watch this one, because this one was even crazier than this one. Love you guys. See you on the next one.